The world had become filled with violence, greed, and darkness. Move aside! Everything belongs to the strong!
People no longer care for one another.
This world has forgotten the ways of goodness.
But among all the chaos, one man still walked faithfully with God.
Lord is my shepherd.
Lord, why has the world become so cruel? Noah was troubled by the wickedness surrounding him. There must still be hope for humanity.
Noah, the earth is filled with corruption.
I am listening, Lord.
A great flood will cover the earth. Build an ark and save your family.
I will obey you.
God showed Noah a vision of the coming flood.
The waters, they will cover everything.
Trust me, Noah.
Even in the storm, I will follow your command.
Father, this ark is enormous.
People think we are crazy. We build with faith, not fear. Day after day, Noah and his family obeyed God. Why build a giant boat in the middle of dry land? Has Noah lost his mind? One day, the rain will come. Rain impossible! But Noah never stopped believing. The ark is complete.
May God protect us through what is coming.
Dark clouds gathered over the earth. Guide them carefully inside. The ark is filling quickly. Every creature entered safely before the storm began. The Lord is faithful.
The sky is becoming darker.
It is time. Noah and his family entered the ark in faith. All 8 people entered into the ark. Then God closed the ark without anyone able to open.
What is that falling from the sky?
Rain. The first drops began to fall upon the earth. Then the heavens opened.
Mountains disappeared beneath the waters. Everything is gone. God will lead us to a new beginning. At last, the storm began to fade. The sunlight!
Thank you, Lord.
Release the dove.
Will it find dry land?
The dove flew into the endless sky.
The dove is coming back! An olive branch. Life hope was alive once again.
The earth became green and full of life again.
The animals are finally free. It feels new.
Today is a new beginning for all creation.
Then God placed a rainbow in the sky. This rainbow is my promise to the earth. Your mercy will never be forgotten, and peace return to the world.